Okay, histogram modification, specification. Okay, so this is another technique, okay, of image enhancement where you do the specification. Okay, so specification we will use when sometime it is useful to be able to define a histogram and modify the histogram of the original image to match the histogram that we define. Okay, so this we call it as such process is called histogram specification. For example here, okay, so this is the original image, okay, and this is the desired image. Okay, so we want this original to be mapped as this or desired image. So this we call it as a histogram specification. Okay, first you have to do the histogram equalization on this original image. Second, you will have the desired image, then you do the histogram equalization again. Okay. So find the mapping table. So this is the step of the histogram specification where you will apply the histogram equalization twice. One is to the original image, and then the other one is the desired histogram. The desired histogram is the one that you define to be your new histogram. Okay, so next you apply the histogram to this desired histogram, and lastly you do the mapping, okay, from the original to the value of 3, the output of 3. Okay, so the step we will start from 1. Okay, so this is the original. You apply the histogram equalization. This is an example of the previous one where when you apply the histogram equalization, this will be the output. This is the new one. Okay, next you specify the desired histogram. Now you already specify, so this is the desired histogram. So next you find the mapping histogram equalization to the histogram equalization. So with this desired histogram, again you apply the histogram equalization. Okay, you apply the histogram equalization to the desired histogram. Okay, first you will get the run sum, okay, and then you get the normalization, okay, and then you multiply the normalization with the maximum number of pixel gray level. Okay, so the new one will be this. So after you finish the third step, then you go to the last step. So how to map it? So you will write it all to be as this one. The 0, okay, H124467, and then S is the output of histogram of the desired histogram, which is 0, 1, 2, 4, 7, 7, 7, 7. So then you map. Map is by taking the H and map with the S. Look for the nearest. The nearest is here. If here, the difference is 1. If here, the difference is 1. So the difference will be 0. Okay, so then you take the O and map it to the new pixel. 2, map to here. Because 1, the difference is 1. Then 2, map to here and then put it here. 4, map to here. Okay, map the O, and then you take the 3 to here. Same goes to here. Okay, if you take this one, the difference is 3. Okay, if take this one, the difference is 2. So 4, the difference is 0. Then you take 3 and put map to the new one. Okay, 6 is the same. So either you take this one, or this one, or this one. But the best is to take the lowest. Okay, which is 6, 7, and map to here 4. 6 also map to here and here, so will be 4. 7 also either this 4, but take the lowest, then 7, then map 4 here, 7 here, and map 4 here. Then you do the mapping. The last one is to map. So this pixel value is based on the desired image. Okay, so once you want to transform the new histogram, so the number of pixels is based on the desired image. 1, 5, 10, 20, and 0. Then you do the mapping. Okay, start with 1. The number of pixels is 1. 2, number of pixels is 5. 3, there are 2 3, then you add these 2 pixels, then 3, the number of pixels is 25. 4, the rest will be 4, so the number of pixels is 20. 4, 20. Okay, so this is the new histogram after you apply the histogram specification. 20 or 20, not 40.